let's talk about Niva Bupa. Now, the 2,200 crore IPO was announced yesterday. But how is this playing out on Star Health Insurance? Yash is here with a quick analysis. Yash.
Well, Reema, it's quite an interesting comparison between the two companies. Star Health, before the market recovered, of course, the stock was down much more intraday, and put 2 days together, yesterday and today, the stock was down almost 10%. And a large part of this has to come from the announcement which came from Niva Bupa. That was its 2,200 crore IPO. The reason being that now investors have another insurance company in the standalone health insurance space to play the Indian health insurance market, and that impacted the stock to a large extent. As far as the valuations are concerned between Niva Bupa and Star Health Insurance, Niva Bupa brings a very interesting comparison. The pre-money valuation as far as Niva Bupa is concerned, that comes to about 6.14 times, but the interesting part comes in when we look at the post-money valuation. As far as the total book value post-money is concerned, that is about 2,700 crore rupees nearly. With that, the valuation that comes is at about 4.72 times price to book value. Star Health Insurance trades at exactly the same valuation, that is 4.73 times. Now, here between the two companies, Star is a much larger player, but the growth rate with Niva Bupa is much higher than the company that is Star Health Insurance, as well as the standalone health insurance industry. If you just look at the growth rate in FY23, Niva Bupa grew its net earned premium at 52% versus Star Health at 18%, standalone health insurance industry at 26%. First quarter of FY25, Niva Bupa's growth in the net earned premium was 37% versus Star at about 18%, and standalone health insurance industry at 25%. The drawback right now is that it's a much smaller base for Niva Bupa to grow on. That is the only thing that one needs to keep in mind. But the growth rate has been very strong. And interestingly, what adds to that is the valuation post-money between Niva Bupa's IPO and Star Health is right now neck to neck. And that's what has been playing out on the stock as far as Star Health Insurance is concerned.
Thank you very much
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.